Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start in Side Settings to find the printer queue quickly. Open Settings, go to Bluetooth and Devices, then Printers and Scanners. Select the target printer. Once selected, choose Open Print Queue to view active jobs. This is where cancellations occur. If you don't see the job, make sure you selected the correct device or check that the PC and printer are on the same network. You need sufficient permissions, if prompted. Approve as an administrator so you can control the queue. Once the print queue is visible, locate the specific job you want to stop and right-click it. Choose Cancel to remove it immediately. If several jobs are stuck, use Cancel All Documents to clear the queue in one action, which prevents the printer from restarting the same task. Make sure to wait a few seconds for the queue to refresh. If a job reappears or refuses to delete, you'll need to stop and restart the print spooler service. That resets the system-level queue and often resolves locked jobs. To finish, open Services, type Services. MSC, find Print Spooler, then click Stop and start to clear stubborn entries. This forces Windows to reload the queue. Once done, return to the printer queue and confirm the job is gone. If the printer still shows activity, power cycle the printer to clear its internal memory and recheck the onboard display for errors. If cancellations still fail, reinstall the printer driver or contact your administrator. Drivers or permissions often cause recurring queue issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.